no matter your size, your gender, you are able to be a successful welder in our company. A lot of we look at it as you shouldn't need to be lifting more than 20 pounds in your cell. We have cranes. The work cells are ergonomically set up for each operator so that when you go home at the end of the day, you're not feeling it in your muscles, joints. We do have LED lights in the shop. We do have some source capturing units that help clean out the air instead of having to breathe that in. We use a lot of 045, some 052 wire, which is Lincoln brand. So our welders really like that stable product. We're not changing wires from one brand to the other. We keep it consistent. In most of our areas, we have 2 welding units for every welder, and that's just because we don't want you to have to be tripping over cords. We don't want you to have to be pulling a cart up and down or in through your area. And most of our feeders, we pull out of a 1,000-pound barrel versus 40-pound spools to save on the need to get up on a step ladder to go up and change the spools out. They get their own tool boards, so they get to organize, sometimes even decorate their tool boards to personalize them. All of the tools that they would use are supplied by Superior. Their weld sleeves, their leathers, helmets, steel toe boots. It's all set up and supplied by Superior. You have to be 1G certified, which we will certify the welders. So if they come in and they don't have experience, the Weld Training Center is a great tool at whatever level you are as a welder. The growth opportunity, not only in your welding ability, but also in pay is there as well. And while you're getting trained, you're getting paid as well. When you're done with the project, you sit back and you look at it, and then you take pride in that big weldment that you produced. At the end of the day, when you hear about Superior as a company and you think about it like, I'm producing product that is sold and in operation worldwide, that makes them excited about what they do every day.